Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your social media strategy with Hootsuite step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the dashboard where your social media profiles are displayed. Take note of your current social media performance metrics. Analyze which platforms are driving the most engagement. Identify content types that resonate well with your audience. Review your posting schedule for any inconsistencies. Open the Analytics section in Hootsuite. Select the relevant time frame for the performance data you want to analyze. Compare your results against previous periods to spot trends. Take screenshots of key metrics for future reference. Next, go to the Planner section in Hootsuite. Evaluate your existing content calendar for any outdated posts. Determine what types of content align best with your current goals. Incorporate seasonal or trending topics into your future planning. Utilize Hootsuite's content suggestions to inspire new ideas. Draft a revised social media strategy based on your analysis. Plan a mix of posts, including promotional, educational, and entertaining content. Reassess your target audience and consider any necessary adjustments. Set specific, measurable goals for engagement and growth. Create a posting schedule that optimizes for peak engagement times. Utilize Hootsuite's scheduling feature to streamline posting. Monitor your social media accounts for real-time engagement. Regularly check the analytics to refine your strategy further. Consider A/B testing different post formats to see what works best. Stay updated on changes in algorithms and user behaviors across platforms. Continuously iterate on your strategy based on the data you collect. Set reminders to revisit your strategy on a quarterly basis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.